Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan is a month of fasting, but did you know it can also be the perfect time to lose weight if done right? Many people expect to shed pounds, but instead they gain weight. Why does this happen? I am Professor Dr. Javed Iqbal FAROOQI, and in this vlog, I'll share science backed tips on how to lose weight in a healthy way during Ramadan without feeling weak or drained. From the best suhoor and iftar choices to common weight loss mistakes, I will cover it all. Stay tuned to make this Ramadan your healthiest one yet. If you want to lose weight during Ramadan, focus on balanced meals, portion control, and staying active. Avoid overeating during iftar and choose nutrient dense foods over processed or high caloric options. Here's a healthy meal plan for weight loss during Ramadan. Sahur, that is the pre-dawn meal, and we need energy for the day. So you should use high fiber and protein rich options. And what are these options? What can be these? These options are, for example, you take one boiled egg plus one whole wheat toast or chapati. You take yogurt with chia seeds, nuts, and berries. You can use oatmeal with cinnamon, nuts, and honey. And of course, you take water, 1 to 2 glasses of water, and 2 dates. And this will make a healthy, high fiber and protein rich option for your day as energize you for the day. Please, in the suhoor, avoid sugary cereals, white bread, maida paratha, fried items, too much salt, because these causes thirst. What about iftar? And iftar is to replenish your energy. So you start with 2 dates plus 1 glass of water, and then you take 1 cup of vegetables or lentil soup. In the main meal, keep it balanced and light, and it may include grilled or baked chicken, fish with quinoa or brown rice or steamed vegetables, lentil salads with olive oil dressing, and grilled paneer or tofu, and then whole wheat chapati with dal and mixed salad. In the iftar, avoid deep fried snacks, high sugar drinks, heavy curries, fast food, samosa, pakoda. Avoid all these. Then, if you feel hungry, you can go for the post iftar snack. And the healthy options here are handful of almonds or walnuts, a smoothie with yogurt and fruits, cucumber and hummus or other small amount of energy food. But please do avoid cakes, samosas, sugary drinks, processed snacks for this. And of course, you keep yourself hydrated and don't miss to do exercise. You must take 8 to 10 glasses of water between iftar and suhoor. Avoid excessive caffeine. Exercise is very important. Light workouts 1 to 2 hours after iftar, and it may be walking, yoga, or body weight exercises even. By following these meal plans, you can lose weight while staying energized during Ramadan. Losing weight during Ramadan is not about eating less, it's about eating right. By choosing nutrient dense foods, staying hydrated, and avoiding common mistakes, you can shed extra pounds while feeling energized and strong. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to weight loss during Ramadan? Ramadan is not just a time for spiritual growth, but also a chance to reset your health. Let's make this a month of transformation, inside and out. See you in the next episode.